Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram user not found problem. To know how to fix Instagram user not found problem, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here, and then in this page, as you see, you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi like this, as you see here. That's like this. Then you can know how to fix Instagram user not found problem on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.